In this video, we're going to learn how long it takes to boil eggs to different levels of firmness and some quick and easy ideas of dishes for each consistency. Boiled eggs, one of the easiest recipes for one of the most versatile ingredients. It's also one of the healthiest ways to eat eggs, rich in protein, vitamin B2, B12, D minerals like selenium, iodine, iron, phosphorus, zinc and calcium, and carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. To make boiled eggs, you'll need cold eggs coming straight from the fridge and not at room temperature water, a teaspoon of vinegar, cold water to cool down the egg after removing it from the boiling water and stop the cooking process. Directions: place a small pot or saucepan on the stove burner. Add the eggs, then water, enough to cover the eggs by about 1 inch or 2 centimeters. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. It'll make it easy to peel the egg and it won't change its flavor. Turn the heat on high and wait for the water to boil. This is why it's important to use cold eggs, because they won't cook too quickly while the water gets to a boiling point. As soon as the water starts boiling gently, with small bubbles popping up on the surface, reduce the heat to a minimum and start a timer. After 1 minute, you get a soft boiled egg with soft yolk and barely set white. Transfer the egg to an ice bath. Leave it in the ice bath for about 1 minute. Put it in an egg cup or espresso mug. It'll be too soft to peel. Cut the tip with a sharp serrated knife. Here are a few ways to eat it. Plain. Add salt and pepper. Eat with a spoon. Another option is to eat it as a dip for soldiers. Here are a few good soldier options: toasted bread with butter, French fries, roasted asparagus, fried or grilled polenta, and fried green beans. Now back to the different consistencies. Another option is to wait 3 minutes when you'll get a runny yolk and cooked white. Remove the egg from the saucepan and dip it in the ice bath for a minute. Peel the egg carefully. Here are a few ways to enjoy it. Over toast. Add salt and pepper. When you cut the egg, the yolk will run on the bread like butter. Over pasta or rice. Add your favourite flavour enhancer, like salt, flour salt, pepper, chili peppers, soy sauce and herbs. The runny yolk will make an amazing rich sauce. Another option is to wait 5 minutes and then you'll get a gooey yolk and firm white. Remove the egg from the saucepan and dip it in the ice bath for a minute. Peel the egg. This is the perfect consistency to enjoy by itself, perhaps with truffle olive oil, salt flour, pepper and microgreens. It's also great over your favourite salad. Another option is to wait 8 minutes or more, and you'll get a fully cooked hard-boiled egg. Peel it. This is the safest way to eat eggs, as raw eggs have a risk of containing dangerous microorganisms. Cooking them fully will kill any potential pathogen. This is a good consistency to enjoy by itself, but you can also make a few different recipes. Like deviled eggs, for instance. Here's a very simple deviled egg recipe. To make it, you'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of whole mustard, salt and pepper to taste, smoked paprika to taste. Directions: separate the yolks from the whites and place them into a small bowl. Add olive oil, mayonnaise, mustard, salt and pepper. Mix. Put the mix back into the white. Sprinkle smoked paprika and serve. Another alternative is to make an egg salad with your hard-boiled eggs. Here's another very simple recipe. For this simple egg salad, you'll need 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of whole mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: cut the eggs into small pieces. Place them in a bowl. Then add olive oil, mayonnaise, lemon juice, mustard, Salt and pepper to taste. Mix, and it's ready. Easy peasy. Serve it plain or over bread or a bed of greens. There you go, 4 egg consistencies to boil your egg and multiple recipes to enjoy them. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. See you next time!